What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to talk about introduction to bases. So we had earlier that we have acids and bases. Acids are proton donors and bases are proton acceptors. So according to the Arrhenius concept, a base is a substance that produces hydroxide ions in aqueous solution. According to the Bronsted and Lowry model, a base is a proton acceptor. The bases sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide fulfill both our criteria. They contain hydroxide ion in the solid lattice and behaving as strong electrolytes. Dissociate completely when dissolved in aqueous solution. So we have NaOH gives Na++ OH-. Strong bases dissociate completely and leaving virtually no undissociated base. NaOH and KOH, which are sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, are called strong bases in the same sense as we defined strong acids. All the hydroxides of the group 1A elements like lithium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and rubidium hydroxide and cesium hydroxide are strong bases, but only NaOH and KOH are common laboratory reagents because the lithium, rubidium, and cesium compounds are expensive. The alkaline earth, which is group 2A hydroxides like CaOH2, calcium hydroxide, BaOH2 like barium hydroxide, and SrOH2, strontium hydroxide, are also strong bases for this compound. 2 moles of hydroxide ions are produced for every mole of methyl hydroxide dissolved in aqueous solutions. Why? Because we have 2 hydroxide ions there in their formula. So that's how you can define strong bases. So mostly from group 1A and group 2A we have strong bases. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video if you found it useful. You can leave any comments if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.